sponsored by Sri Balaji English Medium School, Shripuram Junction. Best education and best ranking.
Welcome all of the students on Extreme channel. Then it is now started the basic definitions of the circle. Basic definitions of a circle, or it's called the basic concepts of the circle. If you know in the first exercise, we can construct the only chord of the circle, definition of the chord and definition of the diameter as well as circle. Now related to some chord. Now all of you know the properties of a chord is first one, the properties, the chord is the equal distance chord, they are equidistant from the center. Second one, if the smallest chord is away from the center. Third point, if the biggest chord is very near to the center. If the centers are mainly dependent on the circle. If two chords are equidistant from the center, they are equal. And if the chord is very small in size, it is far away from the center. If the chord is very bigger, near to diameter, it is very near to the center of the circle. So you can know that these are the points or properties of any chord. Next, the other properties of the chord is chord divides the circle into two unequal parts. So you can see this is a circle. So chord divides the circle. Yes. So this chord divides two parts. One is there are the smaller portion, minor R, then it is called the bigger portion, it is called major. So this chord is divide the circle. Chord is divide the circle into two unequal parts. If the smaller portion of an arc of a circle is called minor arc, the major portion of an arc is called major arc. Major arc. It means that if the minor as well as major. So if you know that if the smaller portion of an arc of a circle is called minor, it is a major arc. Then next one, if the chord like this one, chord is a diameter AOB, then the circle divides equal portion. This is also equal. Semicircles they are called because two chords are equals are there, then it is commonly called semicircles. Semicircles. So first property, chord can divide the circle into two unequal parts. One is major arc, another one is minor arc. Then the chord like a diameter divides the circle into two parts. They are called semicircles. Number one and number two. They are called, these two are the semicircles. Next, segments. Segment means the chord divides the circle into two unequal parts. Already know in your mind, one major and minor. A chord and major minor arcs, the region bounded by the chord as well as minor arc of a circle is commonly called as a segment. Now, the segment means the region bounded by the chord and arc of a circle. Arc of a circle. Then it is called segment. It is called segments. You can know them. This is the chord is this part of a circle is covered. The region bounded by the chord of a circle and arc of a circle is called segment. In segments, three types. One is major segment, minor segment, and semicircular region. Semicircular. Number one, minor segment. Second one, major segment. And third one, semicircular region. There are. Now it is, first one is minor segment you can see. For example, we can take in any one of the round circle, or it is called, here you can take this part, smaller portion. This smaller portion is commonly called as a minor. So according to definition, how it is say, the minor segment, the region bounded by the minor arc and chord of a circle is commonly called as a minor segment. So once again you can see, the region bounded by the chord of a circle and minor arc of a circle, this region is commonly called as a minor segment. This region is commonly called as a minor segment. Then second one, major segment. The region bounded by the chord of a circle and major arc of the circle. The region bounded by the chord of a circle and major arc of the circle is commonly called as a major segment. It is major segment. Major segment. Now, minor segment as well as major. Major segment always covered with the center of the circle. Minor segment do not have the center of the circle because small portion is there, then it is called minor segment. And then third one is semicircular region is there. In a semicircular region, if a circle, the diameter divide the circle into two equal parts. So each part is called the semicircular region. This is, so the circle divides the diameter. The region bounded by the diameter and arc of the circle. Arc of the circle is called semicircular region. Is called semicircular region. In circle to semicircular. This is the segments. There are, first one is minor segment, major segment, and semicircular region. Then regarding with angles you can take in this one. So you can take first one, angles in the minor segment, angles in the major segment, and angles in the semicircle. You know them. First one, I will mark a one circle. In that circle you can marking it. So here it is a circle. Now you can take, there are the two parts. So AB is a part, divide the circle two parts. One is minor segment and one is major segment. The angles in the minor segment, whatever angles are there, ABB, the angles in the minor segment always obtuse. Obtuse means more than 90 degree. More than 90 degrees. More than 90 degree, then it is called obtuse. So the angles in the minor segment always obtuse angle. Angles in the minor segment always acute angle. This is acute. Acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. So one of minor segment always angles in the obtuse angle and major segments always angles in the acute angle. But in angles in the semicircle always angles in the semicircle always right angle. This is right angle. Now one is minor segments angles are obtuse angle. Angles in the major segments angles are acute. Angles in the semicircles then right angle. Next part, same angles. Angles in the same segments are equal. Whatever angles are you can draw in each part, they are equal. Equal to this angle. Angle Q is equal to angle R. Because angles in the same segments are equal. Any segments, either major segments, minor segments or semicircular region, these are equal. So first one is my angles in the minor segments, they are obtuse. Angles in the major segments, they are acute. Angles in the semicircle 90 degree. Then in each segments, angles in the same segments they are equal. Either maybe acute angle or maybe obtuse angle. Or in the angles in the major segments they are acute angles are equal. Angles in the minor segment they are obtuse angle, they are also equal. Angles in the semicircle equal to 90. Equal to 90. So this is real. Next one point, congruent circles as well as concentric circles. Congruent circle means the radius are equal but different. They are called congruent. So radius is 4a, that is 2 cm. And one circle is also 2 cm. So it means the two circles are having same radii, then the circles are commonly called as congruent circles. Examples, wheels of the vehicle or bangles, examples of the bangles. So one is wheels of the vehicle excluding tractor, because tractor wheels are bigger and smaller are than our bus two-wheeler, they are having equal vehicle wheels are than they are congruent circle. So the centers are different. Here O, here O dash. Centers are different, but radii is same. Radii means radius is equal to 2 cm. Do not change it. So such a circles are commonly called as a congruent circle. Next one circle is concentric circles. Circles having single center but different radii. Different radii. So circles having a single center but radius are different, 1 cm, 2 cm, then 3 cm. So it means the center having same center, radius are different, 1, 2, 3 like that. So such a circles are commonly called as congruent circles. Sorry, concentric circles. Now this is congruent, this one is concentric circle. So difference between these two circles are centers are different, centers are only one. Radius are equal, here radius are different. So it means these two differentiate between congruent circles as well as concentric circle. Concentric circles having a single center but different radii. The concentric circles radius are same but centers are different. These are the two difference between the congruent circles as well as the concentric.
This class is sponsored by Sri Balaji English Medium School, Shripuram Junction. Best education and best ranking.